Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most breathtaking luxury homes across the world, and today's property is nothing short of a masterpiece. From the moment you arrive, this mansion pulls you into a world where elegance meets innovation, comfort meets grandeur, and architectural brilliance becomes a living experience. As you approach the entrance, the stunning exterior design, layered textures, modern lines, and perfectly balanced lighting create a warm yet powerful welcome. The front elevation stands tall with a commanding presence, surrounded by beautifully manicured landscaping that enhances the home's luxury appeal and gives it an unmistakable American dream aesthetic. Stepping inside, the grand entrance opens into a spacious foyer with a soaring ceiling, introducing the style and sophistication that flows through the entire home. The natural light pours in through massive glass walls, blurring the line between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. From the very first step, this mansion feels alive, stylish, open, and designed for modern luxury living. Moving forward, the main living room sets the tone for social gatherings, family comfort, and elegant hosting. With premium flooring, a contemporary fireplace, designer furniture, and panoramic views of the backyard, this space is both warm and visually spectacular. The open concept design allows the living room to seamlessly connect with the dining and kitchen area, creating a perfect harmony of functionality and luxury. And speaking of the kitchen, this is a chef's paradise. Featuring high-end appliances, a spacious island, imported countertops, custom cabinetry, soft lighting, and a layout designed for ease and beauty, this kitchen is where presentation and practicality come together. Whether you're preparing a meal for the family or hosting a gourmet dinner, this kitchen ensures every moment feels elevated. Beside the kitchen, the dining area stands elegantly with a premium dining table, modern decor, and enough space to create unforgettable moments with guests. This area is perfectly positioned to enjoy outdoor views while maintaining a cozy indoor atmosphere. As we tour further, the mansion's private spaces begin to unfold with exceptional design. The master bedroom is a true sanctuary, oversized, airy, and crafted to deliver absolute comfort and quiet luxury. With warm lighting, high ceilings, premium textures, and massive windows illuminating the room, this bedroom represents the true essence of dream living. The connected master bathroom takes luxury to another level, featuring a glass shower, soaking tub, double vanities, imported tiles, and a spa-like feeling that turns daily routines into moments of relaxation. Additional bedrooms throughout the home maintain the same level of craftsmanship, offering comfort, privacy, and a design aesthetic that suits both family living and guest accommodation. Each bedroom has its own personality, lighting style, and layout that complements the overall architecture of the home. As we move downstairs, the mansion reveals yet another impressive feature, the private gym, equipped with professional-grade machines, perfect for daily workouts without ever leaving the comfort of home. Whether you prefer strength training, cardio sessions, yoga, or stretching, this gym is built to elevate your lifestyle. Right next to it, the entertainment and TV lounge area offers a cozy environment for movie nights, relaxation, and quality time with family and friends. Soft lighting, modern decor, and a relaxed atmosphere make this one of the most inviting rooms in the entire house. And now, the true highlight, the outdoor experience. The backyard features a stunning swimming pool with crystal clear water. Surrounded by designer tiles, sun loungers, and open seating areas perfect for parties, gatherings, or quiet evenings at sunset. Whether it's a daytime splash or a nighttime poolside dinner, this outdoor oasis transforms every moment into a picture-perfect memory. The drone view reveals the home's full majesty, the architectural symmetry, outdoor entertainment zones, rooftop angles, and the incredible lighting that brings the entire mansion to life after dark. From above, the home looks like a luxury resort designed for comfort, beauty, and lifestyle perfection. This is not just a house, it's a dream carved into reality, a masterpiece of design, and a celebration of true modern luxury. And that's exactly what we bring you here on American Dream Mansions, the most extraordinary homes, the most inspiring architecture, and the lifestyle that defines true elegance. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another luxury home experience. Welcome to the world of dream living. Welcome to American Dream Mansions.